Alright y'all, so we're back and today I am gonna be doing some fall makeup for you guys. So I already have my foundation down. I'm using the Black Radiance Color Perfect liquid makeup, and I really like this. This is one of my favorite drugstore finds, and the shade I use is Cinnamon. Really like it. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. What shade do I have? It's Hazelnut. I'm not really a fan of this applicator, I'm not gonna lie. The thing I've been doing lately is not blending out this area right away. I kind of let it chill for a moment just so that the color and pigment can really set in there. Oh, this is the XX Revolution concealer in the shade CX 11.5. So I'm just putting this right here under this inner corner to highlight. Maybelline Lasting Fix setting powder, and they just came out with banana shade, which I wanted to try. Next, we have this big guy. This is the Revolution Glow Ultra Matte Bronzer. I have the shade Medium Dark. This is what she looks like. She's a really big pan. She's a little bit on a cooler tone. I feel like I could have got something that was a bit warmer. She's scented, y'all. She has like a coconutty, tropical-y type of smell. So for my brows, I'm gonna be using this Ardell brow pencil. They actually just launched some new makeup. Let me just tell you, we're gonna be using our Ardell eyeshadow palette. Ardell Beauty, like as a whole, is pretty slept on. Give it a look. I think you can also pick it up at Ulta online, I've seen before. I've never seen it in store. I don't know if they have plans to start selling it in stores. So this is their Pro eyeshadow palette. This is what she looks like. She is a very sparkly gal, and I think I'm gonna go for some shades that I don't normally use. So first I'm just gonna go in with this dark brown, and I'm gonna put that all in my crease. See how pigmented that is? That was just like 2 little taps of this powder or this eyeshadow. She's super good, and I want to say she retails, I know for sure she's under $20, so I think I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with this reddish. So I have 2 other Naked styles. If you have not used their Naked lashes before, please go give them a try. I have 420 and 422. I'm thinking I might do 422. Let's put on some blush. I'm gonna use this blush from e.l.f. This is their little bite-sized blush. I'm using the shade Pomegranate. And this is the Milani Baked Blush in Bella Bellini. She's always super pretty. She gives me more shimmer than blush, so I always just use her like the high points of my face as a little bit of a highlight. Time for our lips. So to keep with our drugstore, I'm gonna use one of my favorite lip liners. This is the Jordana Coco Loco. If you have been with us for a while here, then you know. This is my jam. So this isn't Drugstore either, but these have been my favorites lately. These are the MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color. The two shades I really like are Crossfade and Date Maker. So I think I'm gonna start with Date Maker. She's a pretty mauve-y gal. They also smell really too. Crossfade, she looks orange, but trust me, she is like a pretty neutral color. I have 3 of the new Maybelline Lifter glosses. I actually got a new shade. So I've had Stone and Amber for a while, but I actually just got this one. I have another one coming. I ordered them off of Amazon, and this one is called Reef, and I think I'm gonna try her today. She's cute. I feel like the fall comes in with like the dark green, you know. Do not forget to subscribe. If we are not at 2,000 yet, we're about to be, and I have my giveaway box over there ready to go through it to share with y'all all the goodies I have. I actually have one of these lifter glosses in there for you guys too, so make sure you subscribe so we can do that giveaway. And then don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis, and I will see you next time.